Did you know that after age 70, taking too many pills can do more harm than good? Today, you'll discover why overmedication is a growing problem and how you can support your health naturally with 5 powerful foods. First, let's talk about the risks of overmedication. As we age, it's common to take multiple medications for different health issues. But here's the problem. Too many pills can lead to side effects like dizziness, fatigue, and even confusion. And when medications interact with each other, the results can be dangerous. Plus, relying on pills can weaken your body's natural ability to heal itself. Imagine this. Instead of feeling better, you end up feeling worse. That's why it's time to rethink how we approach health after 70. So, what's the alternative? Yes, the right foods can work with your body to improve your health without the risks of overmedication. Food-based solutions are safer, have fewer side effects, and offer long-term benefits for your overall wellness. Let's talk about 5 powerful foods that can help you feel your best naturally. Food number 1, turmeric. This golden spice is a natural anti-inflammatory and supports brain health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce joint pain, improve memory, and even lower the risk of heart disease. It also supports liver function and may help regulate blood sugar levels. Try adding it to soups, smoothies, or even a warm cup of tea. A pinch of black pepper can boost its absorption, making it even more effective. Food number 2, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They protect your heart by lowering blood pressure, improve digestion by keeping your gut healthy, and even strengthen your bones with their high calcium content. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your eyes from age-related issues like macular degeneration. Add them to salads, sauté them with garlic, or blend them into a green smoothie for a nutrient-packed boost. Food number 3, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and joint health. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, support cognitive function, and even ease arthritis pain. They also promote heart health by lowering triglycerides and improving cholesterol levels. Fatty fish is also a great source of vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week, or consider a high-quality fish oil supplement if you're not a fan of seafood. Food number 4, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are antioxidant powerhouses. These tiny fruits help fight oxidative stress, which can lead to cognitive decline and chronic diseases. They're also low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a perfect snack. Berries can improve blood sugar control, support skin health, and even reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. Add them to your breakfast or enjoy them fresh as a dessert. And finally, food number 5, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and minerals like magnesium and calcium. They're great for your heart, bones, and even your mood. Nuts and seeds can help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support healthy aging. They're also rich in fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Keep a handful on hand for a quick, nutritious snack, or sprinkle them on oatmeal and salads for extra crunch. Now, you might be wondering, how can I add these foods to my daily diet? It's easier than you think. Start your day with a berry smoothie and chia seeds. For lunch, try a salad with leafy greens, nuts, and a turmeric dressing. And for dinner, grill some salmon with steamed veggies. If you have dietary restrictions, no problem. Soft-cooked veggies, flax seeds, and low-sodium options are great alternatives. By reducing overmedication and adding these 5 powerful foods to your diet, you can take control of your health naturally. Start with small changes, like adding a handful of nuts to your day or swapping a pill for a turmeric tea. Your body will thank you. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Try one of these foods today and see how you feel. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives.